Mr. Kanagaraj Thangavel had an idea of converting the bare spaces into green and edible gardens. After a lot of learnings and trails, he was able to set up his small business named Blooms in 2012. With good response from the society, his business started growing. His products were unique in the market and created a lot of demand from the customers. In 2015, he registered his business as a private limited company. And now, Blooms Agro India Pvt Limited is one of the leading manufacturers and service providers of vertical garden panels, tower garden, indoor garden accessories, and most of the urban garden fixtures. Most important is that they have products made out of eco-friendly natural fibers like coir and jute, which replaces the use of plastics in gardening.